Hi, Norming Sites. We just wanted to give you a little instruction on how to use the data that you've received back from your norming project and the fall version of your norming project. And first, we want to say again just a big thank you for all your work and help that went into this. And I'm actually here with another consultant, Lynn Bailey, who will say thanks to. Say thanks,
Thank you so
Lynn.
much.
But we just wanted to show you a few things about this data file. If you open up the data file, you'll see that you have a tab for kindergarten, first, second, and third grade. And the first thing you'll see is that hopefully these blue columns have been unhidden for you that are going to give the accuracy and the rate scores. These rate scores go out many decimal points just for the norms perspective, but we can hide some of those for you. Also, you'll have for each grade level a norms tab. So let's take a look at the kindergarten norms. And in the kindergarten norms, basically what you'll see for each grade level is the measure and then what were your local normative information or your local distribution for both accuracy and rate. So here you can see the median performance is probably the one you're going to want to look at, the median performance or the 50th percentile. And that's really just if you order the scores from the lowest score to the greatest score, which score was right in the middle of all of the kindergarten students with respect to accuracy and then also with respect to rate. In the fall, at least for kindergarten, we really want to just focus in on that accuracy score. We also want teachers to be able to take this file and use it to kind of look at individual student scores. So you're welcome to make a copy of this for each teacher, this file that you have received, or if you have a way to put it on a secure server, you can do that as well. So what we did in each grade level, you'll see that we've added a field that says student name, but there are no student names in there right now. You'll see that this file that we're looking at doesn't have any student numbers listed. So basically what yours has a student number listed, but we've added one sheet here that says student names that you can use to match the student ID numbers so that teachers can see student names. So under that student names tab, if you can get your data manager to just run you a list of student ID numbers would be the left column, and then student names would be the right column. So here I've given you a sample of student ID numbers and student names here and what that would look like. So you can just kind of copy and paste that into the student names tab. And then if we go back here in this kindergarten and I have the student numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, that's going to just bring in the student names. So really that'll just be an easier way for teachers to kind of look at here and say, oh, this is not student number 1, but this is actually Amy, to see those results. So you can take a look at those results and look at it by measure. If you want to do some sorting, you can actually sort across the rows. So if I want to see ordering number after what was my lowest to highest accuracy percentage, I can sort by column J. So I just choose sort and filter, custom sort, and I would sort by column J, or this one gives me another option. And that's going to give me that sorted score so I could actually see the distribution of my own class. In addition to this data file, we've got a couple of supporting documents that give some instructional recommendations and just general use around how to use the data. So thank you again so much, and you can let me, Susan Laney, or Amy Miller, or your MTSS consultant know if you have any questions about using this document.